Hi guys, welcome back to Cyber Safe by Dami. Have you ever wondered if someone's profile picture is real or stolen? Or have you wanted to know where an image came from? Today, I'm talking about reverse image search, a simple but powerful tool to keep yourself safe online. I'll show you step by step how to do a reverse image search on your phone or computer and why it's a must-have skill for staying safe online. Let's dive in. Reverse image search lets you trace an image back to its source. Whether it's a photo from a dating app, social media, or an email, this tool helps you verify if the image is real or has been stolen from someone else. It's especially useful to verify suspicious images in emails or ads and to identify online scams using stolen photos. Now, let's learn how to do it. On your computer, open your browser and go to images.google.com. Click on the camera icon in the search bar. Choose Upload an image or drag and drop the image you want to check. Google will show you where the image appears online and if there are any similar images. If you're using a mobile device, open the Google app or Google Lens on your phone. Tap the camera icon. You can take a picture or upload an image. Google Lens will scan the image and show results, including websites using the same or similar pictures. If you're not a fan of Google, you can also try TinEye, which is a dedicated reverse image search tool at tineye.com, or Yandex, which is a search engine with powerful image recognition features. Now here's why you need to use reverse image search. 1. It can help you spot fake profiles. Scammers often steal photos from models, actors, or influencers to create fake accounts. A quick search can expose the truth. 2. To verify suspicious images. Think twice about sharing or acting on images from unknown sources like fake ads or emotional scams. 3. Avoid scams. Protect yourself from phishing attempts, fraudulent offers, and other online traps. With reverse image search, you can take control and make informed decisions. Reverse image search is an easy way to protect yourself and uncover the truth online. Now that you know how to do it, start using this tool to verify profiles, emails, and more. Have you ever used reverse image search? Share your experience in the comments below. If this video helped you, give it a like, share it with friends, and subscribe to Cyber Safe by Dami for more online safety tips. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.